thlir tu le ngai thatu zong zong te in zawa in chi bai le vek ole voina chun just man dan kan zir chon zom le nga voina kan zir lai tur chu just actions recently finished ani don ani hei om zia chu thil kan ti zo deuh chiang chi kan ti zo na arei lo hle a khang soinan khanin he form he kan zir do na heta hianin hemi form a hianin form chi hnia oma pakhat na chuanin just subject plus just plus verb to emo past tense verb anyang chu kha anita a ti chuan hemi past tense verb nuwa hianin kan du kan information da du kan thu soi du rang ha kan da bel tok thei bokani until nan I just sent you an email om zia chu tun lok khan message karon send karon thon che ania ti na ni ta om zia chu hei hi kan a message send kha a message thon kha arei lo hle ani just kan tel khan until nan just tel lo tai la I sent you an email ni ta se a message thon na kha arei viau to pon e thaya past tense ani to pa wang khanin arei viau to pon e thaya just tel lo khanin I sent you an email ti po kha man thei thawani amai ro chu just kan tel chia khanin a message thon na arei lo sia kha just hian en tir ani entir na dang le a chuan we just saw that movie so movie so ka en na arei lo hle tun lo khan ka en ti na kha akok le ta ni just tell when we saw that movie ni ta se past tense ani to ba wangin so movie so a mu na kha kum khat kum ni kum thum kum li rei tak pa lo liam thai ani ma se la just kan tel chia khanin a mu na han ti la a en to na arei lo sia kha just hian ako mo de entira dang le a chonin he just got back from France friends atang aron let na friends atangin tun lok khana ron let ani ti na de ta ni aron let na kha rei lo hle thu kha soi ani heta hian got hi came then hian anga he just came back from France ti ne hian ang reng ani a form dang le a pathan dang le a chuanin subject plus verb to be plus just plus verb ing form continuous form aneng chu hei hi ani thei boka ti chuan an hnung lama hianin kan information da du rang kan da bel thei boka ti chuan he form b ka hianin verb to be kan ti hianin verb to be a pass chau hi man thaya was were chau hi kan mang tur ani verb to be b ka hianin verb to be a present form ms rang chi hi chu a man thei don lawa om zia chu hun kal to pa sa kan thil ti lai mek engemaw ina ron ti buai emo thul ti rawanga present ma tun huna kan chol san si ang soinan hianin he form he pathan hi an mang thin ani until nan I was just studying ele kha ka lo zir meka ti kha until na lo ni se ti zon he until na karon soi fi ala kwanga lekha azir lai mekin phone call aron lut thuta phone chu la in I was just studying atita a kan thati mang chotero lekha azir lai mek khan phone call kharon luta ti chuan a lekha zir lai kha at chol sana ti chuanin phone chu a pick up a ti chuan a phone kha a changa a phone ron call tu ne na khanin I was just studying lekha ka lo zir meka ti khanin a soi thai ani entir na dang le a chuan he was just washing the dishes khenga lo sil meka ti na khani a ti chuan he example he karon soi fia lenga a thleng sil lai laklo in pona a chu angai thota a chua sana ti chuanin a thleng sil mek thu kha soita a entena thleng alo sila ti chuan thlenga sil la kana thian pa ina mo ron kola aron kawa pona khana chuak ta a ti chuan na thian pa hne na khanin thleng kalo sil meka tin a soi thai ani I was just washing the dishes ati thai ani ti chuan adang lia chuan someone was just smoking in here toi ma chu heta hianin ziala zu ni hi ti khani ta a om zia chu bedroom ai lo luta bedroom a lo lut ma sa kha alo chuak to a ma sela evaluate via achwa nu khan evaluate via zial rim khala wanam hum ta kata ta khanin someone was just smoking here ti hi emang thai ani ti chuan a to ber atan chuanin he form hi kan lo not big don nia he form hi zerlai ma sa form den khanin ain ang dewa tuna kan zerlai actions recently finished poni chi achong lawa ti chuanin zerlai ma sa actions in the near future pokha ani chi achong lawa ain pol ani he form hi he kan lo thetheu don nia chu a form chu enge kan ti chuanin subject plus verb to be plus just about plus to verb infinitive ani he ta zerlai ma sa kan zerneng khanin an ang chia antila a form chun anga amai ro chu verb to be a hian an ang lawani verb to be a hianin actions in the near future zerlai ma sa ka chuanin is are a present tense kha kan mang ta ni amai ro chu he heta ve thungi chuanin verb to be a hianin past tense kan mang thai kan mang thung don ta was were che aman thai ni he form a chuan om zia chu thil plan kan lo na ya kan thil tum kan lo na ya ma se kan ti ma in kan plan chu ti boy emo thul ngai na lo om le si a khatiang soinan khanin he form hi aman thai ani ti chuan verb to be a khan zerlai ma sa ka ron zab le zo yanga verb to be a khan em is are lo mang ta ila om zia chu don chia thil kan ti don chia soina ani kan ti to kha zerlai ma sa kha kan en let thayang tun zerlai kan lut lenga entirnan I was just about to send you an email anitani I was just about to send you an email message kalo thon don chia chesin anita a heta hian was aya hian verb to be omna hianin was aya hian em present tense lo mang taila I am just about to send you an email ani chonin message kalo email kalo thon don chia chia tinakha ani ve thawa was kan man chia hianin akia dang ta ni he example le lo soi fia lok taila entirnan athian pa email thon turin plan anaya ti chona ril ruwa khan email thon tur khanin aril ruwa khan plan alo nei ta ni ti chona tum mek line athian pa ina ron call la emo aron call thuta emo konga anin hu thuta ti chuanin khatia a plan nei kha thul tirin mo ti buaina om ta ni ti chuan email kha thon talo khanin I was just about to send you an email ti in asoita a email kalo thon tum chi asin ti khanin asoita ni kan rathia mang chutro ti chuan example nang le a chuanin he was just about to make dinner when his friend invited him out for pizza he was just about to make dinner when his friend invited him out for pizza dinner siam tur khanin plan anaya rilru aro siama ti chuanin a siam ma khanin athian pa in ange pona pizza ai chok turin aron som le sia ti chuan a plan kha thul tirin alo oma chota che chon he form hi kan mangta ni was form kan te meng chu subject plus verb to be was were plus just about plus to verb infinitive hi kan mang che ani ti chuan karon bel le lok du chu heta p i z z a hi pizza z sound emo z sound emo man tur ani lawa s sound hi man dai tur ani pizza ti tur ani ole voina tan chon khati zong khani ri phot sela thlir to zong zong te in zawai chung alom thu ka soya like subscribe le share kha milauti sakwe thau don nia in zawai mang tham tu vek ule